Yo, what's up? Wait. Yo, what's up, guys? Nobalat Gaming here, and today we are reacting to my classmates' YouTube channel, and I just showed my search history, bro. Gabra. So we're gonna type my classmates' YouTube channel. Wait. Oh wait, I'm just gonna wait. She's in my where's that? I think he's in this video. Nope. I don't know where is he. Wait. Oh my god, I am so sick. Bro, can't. Where is he? Oh, I know here. Oh no, no. I'm gonna find him like in a second. I finally found him. So this is my classmate's YouTube channel, and whoa, how did he make a community and I didn't? Bro, he's so good. Let's react to his first YouTube. Wait, I don't know why. Okay, let's. Bro, what is this? Bro, what is that, bro? Okay, I'm gonna skip this video because it's so cringe. Let's go to his newest video. The Plants vs Zombie one. He's trying to copy my content. He's a gamer, bro. At least he has no subscribers. Bruh, so boring. Let's look at his YouTube shorts. Okay, I did better than him. This trend is dead, bro. Dead, bro. Okay, this is his community. That's all for his video, bro. Guys. Okay, that's it for the vid, guys. And thank you for 600 subscribers, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so our main goal is 600, and there's a new goal. Our new goal is 1000 subscribers. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.